Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials: a steady 10 kW power feed with UPS, superconducting coils in a containment ring, and an atomic clock aligned to plus or minus 1 ns. Once those are active, you energize the coils at low current and verify cryogenic stability, because thermal drift breaks synchronization. Make sure to log baseline magnetic readings and time offset data. This gives you a clean starting state. Keep movements deliberate and document every change so you can reverse step. You now form and tune the field by ramping the containment coils to 2T over about 120 seconds while watching gradient sensors, because abrupt changes induce instabilities. Once the field holds, introduce phase modulation at 25 MHz with precise 1% depth to seed temporal fluctuations, and engage the feedback loop to keep amplitude within plus or minus 0.05%. As you adjust, watch for harmonics and drift. Small corrections early prevent larger oscillations later. Keep speaking aloud the values so your team hears adjustments in real time. You initiate the aperture with a controlled 6-second soft open while monitoring particle flux and time delta. This prevents sudden transients. Once the portal is established, maintain the field and then perform a 6-second gradual ramp down to seal the window to avoid rebound spikes. If things go wrong, if oscillations exceed thresholds, cut power immediately, vent coolant to safe state, and revert settings to the last stable log. This restores baseline and lets you diagnose logs before another attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.